If you've ever walked into a home and thought, wow, this feels expensive, it wasn't because of the price tag. It was because of intention. An expensive-looking home is not about how much you spend. It's about scale, restraint, layering, and consistency. They are designer principles that transform an ordinary home into one that feels elevated, curated, and quietly luxurious. These are the same principles professionals use. And once you understand them, you'll never look at your home the same way again. Let's begin with a mistake almost everyone makes. If a room feels cheap, 90% of the time it's a scale issue. Too small rugs, too small art, too small lamps, too many tiny decor pieces. Expensive homes understand proportion. Rugs. Most living rooms need an 8 by 10 minimum. A rug that floats in the middle of the room shrinks the space visually. A properly sized rug anchors furniture and creates luxury feels grounded art. Tiny art doesn't look or feel right. Oversized art looks intentional. Even one large frame piece instantly elevates a room. When in doubt, go bigger. Lamps. Short lamps make ceilings feel lower. Taller lamps elongate the room. Aim for presence, not filler. Pause here in your delivery and let this settle. Because once someone adjusts scale, everything in your home changes and feels right. Layering creates luxury. Flat rooms look inexpensive. Layered rooms look curated. Layering is depth. Start with a foundation, the sofa, rug, or coffee table. Then layer. A tray, books, a sculptural object, something organic, something natural like a plant, or florals. Now vary heights. Small, medium, tall. That variation creates movement for the eye. Luxury is visual rhythm. Mix materials like wood with stone, matte with gloss, linen with metal. Contrast adds richness. This is where most homes stop too early. They decorate, but designers compose the room. Lighting makes all the difference. Nothing elevates a home faster than lighting. Expensive homes never rely on one overhead light. Instead, they use layers like table lamps, floor lamps, sconces. And it's this layering of lighting that makes a home look intentional and beautiful. Use matching bedside lamps immediately creates symmetry and calm. Linen shades often light beautifully. If your light is harsh, the room will never feel luxurious. Softness is sophistication. Editing is power. Clutter is the enemy of expensive. Luxury feels calm. Edited. Walk into your room and remove tiny decor pieces, matchy-matchy finishes, visible cords. Oh my goodness, I see this everywhere. And overly themed items. Replace 5 small pieces with 1 substantial piece. Edit until the room can breathe. Expensive spaces have negative space. That restraint signals confidence and elegance. And remember this: texture over trends. Trends are loud. Luxury is quiet. That's why it's called quiet luxury. Instead of chasing color trends, focus on texture. Add linen curtains, boucle pillows, velvet accents, natural wood, marble or stone, and woven baskets. Texture creates warmth without clutter. It's layered but not busy. Timeless comfort always wins over trendy statements. Bedrooms often look unfinished. The secret is layering like a hotel does. Start with crisp white or warm neutral sheets. Add a quilt or coverlet. Then use large Euro pillows, 24 by 24. Then standard pillows. Then one lumbar. That layering creates depth and softness. Match bedside lamps. And one bench at the foot of the bed if space allows. Small upgrades. Upgrade throw pillows to larger sizes. Frame mirrors. Use matching soap dispensers in bathrooms. Display cutting boards vertically in kitchens. These are quiet upgrades. They don't scream for attention, but they shift the entire feeling of your home. What makes a home look, I hate saying this word, but here we go, cheap? Now let's address it directly. Homes look inexpensive when rugs are too small. There are too many colors. Everything is pushed against the walls. Decor is tiny and scattered. Lighting is harsh. Trends dominate the space. Expensive homes are cohesive. They repeat materials. They mix materials. They repeat color tones. They edit. They breathe. Making your home look expensive is not about spending more. It's about choosing better. Better scale, better lighting, better layering, better restraint. Start with one room, adjust the rug, upgrade the lighting, edit what no longer serves the space, and watch how the entire atmosphere changes. Because luxury isn't about a price point. It's a principle, and you absolutely can create it, no matter what your budget. I'll see you in our next design session. Happy decorating! Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are reaching our goal of 10,000. Seems like it's far away, but I think it isn't. Thank you so much for all your help. See you on the next one. Bye.